This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we are doing a post-remodeling cleaning. We have to do this house from top to bottom, and the owner of the house requests to dust all the lamps and also to vacuum the popcorn ceiling. So we are using a Pro Team soft brush, carbon fiber pole, that's that extension, a HEPA vacuum, and a hose. The brand of the pole is Reached. It's a carbon fiber cloth. So the job will be covered better without letters. And if you need our services, call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you. Bye.